Luxurious artistic bungalow for sale in VIII Phase 8. Beautiful garden with 2-car parking space. Ground floor. Drawing room. Stylish washroom. Branded kitchen. Extra storage room. Three bedrooms with stylish bathrooms. Basement. Now going to first floor. Drawing room. Stylish washroom. Branded kitchen. Extra storage room. 3 bedrooms with stylish bathrooms. More features. Imported fixtures and tiles. Owner built with artistic and aesthetic design. Don't miss a chance to buy this beautiful house. Comment down below with your email or number.